This is my son, Aiden. During the day, Aiden, he typically doesn't have any problems hitting his target and not making messes. But at nighttime... This is Aiden's bathroom. Every morning I come in here and it's a mess and I'm expected to clean it. None of the night lights illuminate the bowl. This is what I wake up to every morning. It's disgusting. I saw a Facebook ad a couple of days ago for a product called the Glow Bowl Fresh. It's supposed to turn the potty into a nightlight and prevent messes. I'm going to test this out. It's time to clean up after the pee party. This is always my daily routine. Oh my gosh, check it out. It looks great. I mean, there might be one dribble on there, but it smells fresh and it looks cool.
Instantly make your toilet look and smell great with Glow Bowl. Simply insert the air freshener, place on your toilet, select your color, and you're done. Each Glow Bowl includes 13 beautiful colors to light up your bowl and fits every toilet. The replaceable air freshener keeps the bathroom smelling great for months, and advanced motion detection only turns on in darkness and when motion is detected. Numerous light features are built in, including the option to have the color change every 4 seconds or remain solid, as well as a 5-stage dimmer. The patented design allows the 3.5-inch flexible arm to attach to any toilet perfectly. See where you pee with the safe and fun nightlight for both kids and adults with Glow Bowl.